Hello guys, today I want to show you my bachelor thesis. It's called Reaktor. It's a tangible user interface for the Microsoft Surface, and it's a DJ software. You may have seen programs like the React table, which are focusing on being a synthesizer, but I thought I should develop something that focuses more on being a DJ. So, what do we have? We have our speakers. I've made 3 of them. We have a couple of tracks here. We have something like an equalizer, a flange filter, or a loop. And then we have these. These are controllers, and we have one that does sync our tracks. When we have our tracks with accurate beats per minute and we know where one downbeat is, we can just sync them together like the sync feature of, let's say, Reaktor from Native Instruments. And we have this one. This is a controller that controls the value of one of these objects. So how does it work? First, we need any track. Let's try this one. Yeah, as you can see, the track is already visible on the Surface screen. It has 3 types of bars. It has the red one, the blue one, and the white one. Every kind of object has these 3 bars. The red one is the internal value. The blue one is the external value. And the white one is the resulting value that you get when you multiply both of them. You may also see that this one is blinking. This blinking corresponds to the beats. So when I turn this around, you see that the red bar moves and the white bar moves because it's multiplied the red one with the blue one. This does change the tempo of the track. Well, as you might guess, we are not hearing the track. That is because we don't have any speaker output connected to it. So just let's drop in a speaker, connect it. You see, they both connect, and let's turn up the volume here. As you may have noticed, the red bar on the speaker is nothing with tempo. Instead, it's the volume of the speaker. Each of these actors can act differently to their value they have. So here I can modify the speed. Just let's return to normal speed. Make this a little bit. Yeah. As you see, only if they are close enough together, they will connect. So let's drop another track here. If you see the one that's close, that is the closest to the speaker, does connect to the speaker. This one, this one, this one, this one. Yeah. Just natural. So, let's say take this track, and well, I like the bass of the track, so I can use these 3 this track. Can use these 3 actors as a 3-band equalizer. Let's try it out. Now I have the sound going through these boxes into the speaker, and this is my 3-band equalizer. So let's turn out the highs And let's get a little bit more of the bass. And if I really like this part, I may want to drop a loop. They have to be close enough together. See, this is a 2-beat loop. The loop automatically syncs up to the beat of the track. So you don't have something like a 5-beat loop or so. You have 1-beat loop, 2-beat loop, 4-beat loop, and so on. Okay, so now let's drop in another one. Yeah, maybe let's take this one. So we need another speaker output for this. Yeah, let's turn up the volume. You might notice that both tracks are not in sync. Yeah, sorry for the dropouts, but the light isn't perfect in here. So we can use this one, as this is a sync. We drop it in and sync both tracks together. As you see, they also correspond in blinking. Yeah, another thing I've added is a flanger filter. Because some people may think it sounds nicer. Let's turn it a little bit more up. And yeah, we can also use this one to send the external values to other ones. That is the blue bar. So let's hook this up to the flanger filter and hook up the speed. As you see, it's sending control values to this actor, and yeah, it just changes its external value based on that. We can also add an echo filter, an echo effect, but then I don't think it sounds that good. So, that is basically my bachelor thesis called Reaktor. And let's stop with the last one. This is also an input, but it does not connect to a track. It connects to my favorite online radio station. And so if you're a lazy DJ, just use this one to connect to any radio stream you want and let the music play.